Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use time effectively. First, let's talk about setting clear goals. It's crucial to define your main objectives for the day or week. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This helps prevent overwhelm and makes starting easier. Then, prioritize these tasks based on their urgency and importance. This ensures you focus your energy on what truly matters, leading to greater productivity and a sense of accomplishment. Once your goals are clear, the next step is strategic planning. Allocate specific time blocks for each task in your schedule. Using a calendar or planner helps visualize your day and commit to your plan. Remember to include short, 5 to 10-minute breaks between tasks. These brief pauses are essential for maintaining focus, preventing burnout, and keeping your energy levels high throughout your workday, making your efforts more sustainable. With a solid plan in place, it's time for focused execution. To maximize concentration, eliminate distractions by turning off notifications on your devices. Commit to working on one task at a time, giving it your full attention. Consider using techniques like the Pomodoro method, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. This structured approach can significantly boost your productivity and help you achieve more in less time. Finally, it's vital to review and adapt your approach. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review your progress and acknowledge your achievements. Identify any areas where you could improve your time management strategies. Perhaps a task took longer than expected, or you faced unexpected interruptions. Use these insights to adjust your plan for the next day, ensuring continuous improvement and more effective use of your valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.